How old do you think I am?
Who's that for me?
I'm 35! I feel disrespected.
That's you.
Oh, baby. Send this to the group chat. No mames, güey. Huele bien culero. Ready, ready, ready? Hey, we out here, baby. Welcome to the SS Buster Bell. We got my captain here. Willie, aka Allwood Drive. Willie on Instagram. Let him know. Yo! Let her eat, buddy! Let her rip! All right. As soon as he falls up, he's gonna lift it up. Jump the wing! There you go! Boy's undefeated!
Look at this guy with the snap on.
No way!
I had a snap on him.
No, ain't, no wonder he was walking out cricket and shit.
This was good.
Here, let me record you. Let me record you.
I don't remember.
Get at it, get at it, get at it. Yeah. What the fuck? Pussy shit. Puff on it hard.
Yeah, Watermeyer. You're not gonna get it.
You're not supposed to inhale it, buddy. Did I inhale it?
It looked like it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're a professional smoker.
No way out here.
Whoa. Right here, baby.
All right, let's
Put it out. Put it out.
Hit the wake and go to the right. I'm about to grab the rope. One, two, three. Oh, they almost got the fucking wake.
Bro, how come we weren't sliding like that?
They have light weight. This one? As soon as they hit the wake, go to the turn left and right, whatever they. I seen I keep on going and I break the other way. Someone fell off.
But they want to stop.
She's scared.
It's okay. It's okay. I haven't gone on either. Me and you together. When you will go slow for us. Take your glasses off. ¿Me pasas el salvavidas? ¡A la verga! What's the gripper?
Take a right. There you go. Donut.
Sarah! Sarah! Sarah's on the last stop.
Here we go. Michael Vance.
¡A la verga!
Get the wake. You suck! Had to get the tube inflated. It was dummy soft. What's up, big head?
This thing's gonna blow my neck.
Willie's out.
Recording everybody.
Willie took a Mino big old fat fucking cerote. So we're waiting on him. The walk of shame.
Ew.
We're gonna hit the log right now on the way out. Do more? Do more? Watch out with the jet ski, buddies.
More. It's slowly you. This one.
Here we go, more. Hey, buddy. Time to get off the boat. What? Time to get off the boat, lightweight. Come on, boy. Peace out, boy. See you, lightweight. See you, Maddie. God, hey, what the fuck? Push your ass in right now. Hey, yo, what happened? No balls. No balls. No balls. Hey, plumber. Mikey's taking a shit while I. Are you taking a shit? Watch out!
Yo! What's in it? What's in it?
350. Scoot back, oi. Dude, that's what a teggy sounds like.
Go put your cats back on.
That's what the teggy sounds like with the misfire. True.
Fuck yeah. Hey, Moy, I heard you were talking papas in the last video. Anything sounds better than the fucking Datsun at this point. Even
Just
fucking